Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Cathy. For those of you who don't know, I recently had my birthday. It was like a small get-together, so I just wanted to share with you guys what I got. Before we get into the video, today's shout out goes to these people. If you want to shout it in my next video, make sure to comment this emoji right here, and I will choose some of you guys. I have all the presents right behind me, so I will just pull some up and show you guys. The first thing I got was from my brother. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right or wrong, probably wrong, but I got an Estee Lauder bag with like a ton of like little makeups and stuff like that. It came with some stickers. I tried to take them out and then that one like fell off. I don't know what these are used for, so if you do know, please tell me. And then the next thing I got inside the bag is Day Wear Eye Cream, I think. It's really cute, it's really small. Next is a Day Wear cream for 24 hours. I think it's like a moisturizing cream. That's nice as well. I got some lipstick. I don't really wear makeup, but I will probably in the future, so this is good to have. The next thing I got is a foam cleanser. This is so cute. The next thing I got was a lip pencil, and then mascara, and then some cute lip gloss. So cute. I'm gonna quickly show these up close so that you guys can see. There's the cleanser, the mascara. Whoa, that's a big chunk. The mascara. Here's the lipstick. Look how nice that is. The lip pen and the lip gloss. Cute stickers. There's some on the back too. And then the creams. So thank you so much to my brother. I really love this so much. He also gave me some money, so thank you so much. I love it. The next thing is from my grandma. My grandma finds the neatest little things. She got me these cooking books. My dad looked at them and he was like, oh, they don't print these anymore. And as you can tell, these are in such good condition and they're like really old. And I've been cooking a lot lately, so I am so thankful to have these. They're so cute. As you can see, this book says 1990 to 1991. So this is quite old. The next thing I got is a Bath & Body Works candle from Annie. I opened it and then I just put it back in, so I'm just gonna take it out now. I could already smell it from outside of the bag. It smells so good. The fragrance is Ballerina Rose. Look how cute that is. Oops. It smells so good. Thank you so much, Annie. The next thing I got is a flashlight from my grandma. This is not just an ordinary flashlight. It has a compass. It has a solar panel to charge the flashlight. It has this which breaks glass if you're like stuck or something. This is a magnet. This cuts seat belts, so like if you're stuck. And this is like a really bright flashlight, sorry about that. And then down here is a USB, so you can also charge your phone. This is like the ultimate flashlight. I love it so much. My dad also has one. It's literally a lifesaver. What I got next are a few face masks. This is an under eye hydrating mask for your eyes. I think it's like eye patches, which are so cute. Faye got me this. And then I have two face masks that Rahana got me. I'm going to look forward to using them. Faye also got me this like bottle type thing. It looks so cool. It's a face mask. You have to like make it yourself, like shake it up, which is so cool. I love it so much. I can't wait to use it. And then this like peppermint gum mask, which is so nice. And then this like body scrub, which smells amazing. That's kind of creepy though, but it's actually really cool. Next, I got this cute handmade bag from the girl I babysit and her mom. She got this in Phuket. It's so cute. I could like bring this to the beach. It's like amazing, and it's handmade. Something else that they got me as well is a tuk-tuk necklace. If you don't know what a tuk-tuk is, it's a type of transportation in Thailand. It's so cool. It's this 3-wheeled like type truck thingy. Not really truck, but it's quite small. And this is from Venice Jewelry, and it's so nice, and I love it so much. I literally love getting jewelry. The next thing I got from my parents is this bracelet. Look at that stone, like that's insane. It's so pretty. I'm probably only gonna wear this in special occasions, but I love it so much. Thank you so much, Mom and Dad. The next thing is this H&M necklace with like the circles on it. I've been wanting this for a very long time. I'm sorry if it's shaking, but hopefully you can see it. Sophie got me this, and it has these like striped things. So cute. And Sophie also got me the shirt I'm wearing right now. I really love it. Here, this is a shirt. It's so cute and I love it. Thank you so much, Sophie. Next are these cute earrings. There's a starfish, some hearts, and then an owl. I got this from Rihanna and it's so cute. Literally all my gifts are so cute and I love them so much. She also got me these cute rings. This one's an elephant. This one's a giraffe. And then this one's an owl. Now we move on to the bigger thing. I got this printer from 3 of my friends. They combined their gifts. They got this as my like original, and then they got me like a few things on the side. It's like a picture printer, kind of like a Polaroid picture, but not really. It's the size of a Polaroid, but it prints like a normal picture. It's so cute. I haven't tried it yet, so I am really excited to try it. Thank you, Nat, Faye, and Rihanna for this. I just quickly changed angles. The last few gifts are from my parents. Right now, I only have the boxes because I took all the stuff out, but they got me a ton of GoPro stuff. Tell me if you guys want to see the GoPro on my head. You know what? I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to put it right here. Here we go, guys. I got it on. I think it's still a little too loose. I still have to tighten it, especially right here. Oh my gosh. You can tell that's loose. But here it is. I can run with it. Maybe not run. Not just yet. But I can obviously... Sorry, I thought it wasn't recording for a second. I can obviously like walk around with it. As you can see, there are my gifts. I don't know if this is right. Something went wrong. Okay, on my phone. There's the balloon. Woo! And my room's a little messy. Sorry, ignore that. There's my bed. And we can look. There's my plant. Gotta get some sun for it. Look outside. There you guys go. I just showed you a little clip with me using the headband. I still haven't tightened it enough, so I'm gonna do that real quick. Hopefully that's good. I will probably be using this when I do some more travel vlogs. The next GoPro item that I got is a little hat clip. It clips on and you can film if you're wearing a hat. It's kind of like the head thing, but it's just for like a hat or something like that. So yeah. The next GoPro gadget is this suction cup. It sticks to cars. It's like a heavy duty one. It like can stick to cars. You can stick it to literally anything. Right here, as you can see, it says you can stick it on cars, motorbikes, and it's really good. So when I'm going on long road trips, instead of filming from the glass window inside of the car, I can just stick it outside my car and just record, and it's way better, like smoother, and I don't have to like move that much. The last thing that I got is this gimbal. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. It's like a legit GoPro gimbal. It's so nice. My dad helped me set it up because I didn't really know how to set it up. So thank you so much, Mom and Dad, for like all the GoPro stuff and everything. And thank you so much everyone who got me gifts. I love them so very much. I'm going to test the GoPro right now with the gimbal and we'll see the quality and how like smooth it is. I'm kind of excited. Here is me using the gimbal. It's quite smooth. See if I can turn it around to me. Is that good? I feel like that's pretty good. If I turn it back around again. Sorry, my room's a little messy though. So that there was the footage of me using the gimbal. I think it was pretty smooth and I really look forward to using it when I do some travel vlogs. I forgot to mention that my parents also got me an extra battery for my GoPro, which makes it much useful because the GoPro battery dies really fast. So now I have two. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below. Turn on post notifications. See you next time. Bye!